Hi, if you're looking for a safe way to download the Night Camera app for Android but aren't sure which APK is safe, whether it's compatible with your phone, or how to install it correctly, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you where to download the Night Camera app and how to install the app on your Android phone in just 1 minute.